This is one of the nice little paddy field weed, and I found that it's a nice little plant for in pots. It's called. It has two names. Earlier, it was called um, Lindernia antipoda. Then the scientists and taxonomists changed the name to Bonnaya antipoda. So it's called Bonnaya antipoda, and it's a small plant, perennial, and leaves are like this. And it has lot of flowers also. It's easy to maintain. And since it's a paddy field weed, it likes moisture and good amount of sunlight. Just like in a paddy field, if you create the situation, which means you have some good quality soil there, and then I periodically add dry leaves in order to maintain the moisture content on top. Some small layer, few from 5 or 10 leaves, like this type of leaves you crush and you add it here and there in the gaps, so that will form a layer to protect the moisture in the pot so that it doesn't dry up quickly. And then underneath you can give one plastic plate if you want. So that's one thing. So keep it moist always. Give little manure, and then to make new plants it's quite easy. You can take any cutting, break it here, and put it into the earth. It will germinate, and it can be kept in. I mean, it's quite a pretty little thing, and the seeds look like this after the flowering is over. So this lower part, these are the seeds. It spreads from seeds as well as cuttings. So this is called Bonnaya antipoda. We'll have one last look at the flower, and then I'll close the video. So it looks like that. Somehow it reminds me of a dog's face, like that, and some light yellow coloring is there in the middle. And it's just very small flower.